Well, hello there, welcome back to my mom's channel. I hope you're doing absolutely great. So in this video I'm going to share a very easy way of making your own highlighter in your home. Before that, make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. So without further ado, let's get started. So for making your own highlighter, all you need is a baby cream because they are non-greasy and free from parabens and mineral oil. So I'm using Himalayas baby cream. You can even use Johnson's and many more. Then you need is baby oil or massage oil. So again, I'm using Himalayas. And next you need is your old eyeshadow, or even you can use shimmer powder like I'm using. So it can be golden, silver, pinkish silver, or anything you want. And a empty container. So I'm using a compact container for storing my highlighter, and a bowl and an ice cream stick. So first of all, you need to take out your eyeshadow or shimmer powder in a bowl where we're gonna mix it. So the next ingredient that we're gonna put is baby oil. So I'll be putting 3 drops of oil and then baby cream. So first of all, I did it, but I thought it was of a lesser quantity, so later on I added some more glitter powder, some more cream, and some more oil. So it depends upon you in which quantity you're gonna make it. So next we're gonna transfer our highlighter into this. So oops, so here I have transferred it, and now I'm gonna clean the edges, and it's looking quite good. So with the help of a tissue paper, I'm cleaning the sides of the compact container. And that's all. It's done. It's not a baked highlighter, not it's not like the one that you buy from your market, but it's really good for your daily use. Now if anyone questions that, we could easily apply the eyeshadow or the shimmer powder directly, but I'm showing you the difference. So here I took this highlighter that we made, and then I'm gonna blend it properly in my hand. And so it turned out pretty good. And next I'm going to show you with this one, the powdered one. So with this finger I applied the highlighter, and with this finger I'm gonna apply the shimmer powder. So the basic difference is the highlighter that we made will stick to your skin, but not the powder. It will have a great downfall. So guys, this was my today's video. I hope you have really enjoyed this video and this was really helpful for you. So comment below if you want more such DIYs. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon. So see you soon again in my next video. So for then, take care and bye bye.